I'm here with Simon Higgs, also known as Higgsy if you know him. This video is more about how easy it is to get a Matsuura into your business. We've done a lot of machine tool reviews, but I want you to understand that if you are looking to buy a Matsuura or considering the range, what are the other things that you need to consider? So first of all, Simon, what are Matsuura famous for?
So Matsuura are famous for multi-pallet, 5-axis and horizontal machining centres.
And it's the multi-pallet that kind of is where we need to change the way we're looking to buy a machine, isn't it?
Yes, correct, yes. We're looking to grab every hour of every day by using multiple pallets and multiple tools in our machine equipment.
So when you're buying a machine tool, you've got the cost of the machine, but really the extra considerations are the work holding and the tooling. So what is it that you do with customers to kind of get their head around these?
So first of all, we like to work with the customers, taking their existing components or new components from a design point of view and a concept, working alongside some of our application engineers and our management on applications. Ronnie and John will take their components, look to draw up a concept, how many parts can we get per pallet, therefore giving them a longer run time, and how are we going to machine those components.
And your applications team, they've not been doing these 5 minutes, they've probably seen quite a few applications before.
Yeah, of course. So our guys have been doing this for decades, ultimately, across the country, looking at different applications with different suppliers. So we've got a lot of knowledge in different ways of holding parts, different ways of machining parts that we can support and work with the customer to get the best solution.
And it's all about those small wins, you know, just having that extra component on work holding can make big changes, can't it?
Yeah, of course. There's many suppliers you can buy work holding off the shelf, but also we like to look at an application around the customer's component. Therefore, if we can fit on an extra component or an extra 2 or 3 parts per pallet, then ultimately it gives us a longer run time and more unmanned production.
And with work holding, what are the limitations?
There's no limitations. We will work with any work holding supplier, also the same as tooling. So we like to use the customer's existing relationships with their work holding and tooling suppliers.
Right, and financing all of this, how does that work?
So obviously there's additional cost to the tooling and work holding. So a lot of our customers will look to add that upfront to their machine tool package because we've worked with them in getting a good idea about the work holding and the concept of machining. They can add that to their finance package, which allows them then to spread those costs over the lifespan of the finance.
So basically you're telling me that when someone buys a Matsuura machine, you can look after them from start to the finish, tooling, work holding, and also the whole thing comes as one package from yourselves.
Yeah, in fact we encourage customers to come to us with their existing parts, with their new components, so that we can work with them to find the best solution, the best Matsuura machine that fits their needs.
Cool, thank you.